What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO deposit set-off. Baka kasi isipin nyo guys na unauthorized transactions naman ito ni BDO. Kaya kailangan nyo malaman, kailangan nyo mapanood to kasi pag-uusapan natin kung ano nga ba yung dahilan ng deposit set-off transaction sa BDO. Kasi magagulat na lang kayo guys, nakaltasan kayo ng pera sa savings account ninyo. Kaya naman dapat alam nyo yung rason at kung ano yung dapat gawin kapag nakakita kayo ng deposit set-off transaction sa BDO transaction history ninyo. Huwag niyong iisipin na unauthorized transactions to guys, kasi ito ay legit. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So, ito guys, nakikita nyo, to clear it to your mind kung ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin ng deposit set-off. So, there's a transaction guys, minus PHP 13,500.64, September 17, 2025. So, syempre, pag open nyo ng video online banking nyo, tapos nakita nyo to, magugulat kayo bakit nabawasan kayo ng pera na ganito. Ito guys, a deposit set-off by BDO occurs when the bank debits or reverses a credit from your account to cover an erroneous credit or under certain conditions. Nakita nyo naman, when the bank debits or reverses a credit from your account. Reverses credit. So, ibig sabihin, napasukan yung account niyo, tapos mali pala yun, binawi nila. Ganun yung isa sa dahilan, deposit set-off. Tapos ito pa, to offset an outstanding debts to the bank. To offset an outstanding debt to the bank. So, ibig sabihin, baka may credit card kayo guys na hindi nyo binayaran. Diba? Ganun yung mangyayari. I-auto debit ni BDO yun. Nag-agree kayo sa terms and conditions kapag kayo ay nag-apply ng credit card na i-auto debit kapag hindi nyo sila binayaran. Such as an unpaid loan or credit card payment. This right of offset allows BDO to use your funds to settle your obligation without prior notice. Without prior notice. Ibig sabihin, hindi na nila ipapaalam na babawasan yung savings account mo kasi hindi mo binayaran yung credit card bills mo. As authorized in your account's terms and conditions. So, ibig sabihin, the moment you applied for a BDO credit card, you signed and agreed for their terms and conditions that they will auto-debit certain amount on your savings account the moment you forgot to pay off your debts. What is set-off? Here's the further explanation of BDO set-off transaction or BDO deposit set-off transactions. A bank set-off is the process by which a bank takes funds from a customer's deposit account like checking or savings account. So, nangyayari to guys sa checking or savings account. Never ito mangyayari sa credit card transaction history ninyo or sa credit card account ninyo. To pay a debt that the customer owes to the same bank. So, ganun yung mangyayari sa BDO kapag hindi nyo nabayaran yung outstanding balance nyo, magugulat na lang kayo, binawasan na yung savings account ninyo. Why would BDO set off a deposit? Erroneous credits. So, there's instances guys, mamaya may naligaw or nagkamali ng pasok ng account ng pera sa account nyo. So, if there's an error and money is credited to your account incorrectly, BDO can reverse or debit the amount from your account to recover the funds. So, kapag nagkamali sila, huwag mo naman awayin yung BDO. Binawi lang nila kasi not all the time, tama yung desisyon nila sa buhay. Nagkakamali din sila. Ganun. Unpaid loans and debts. Ito yung mga reasons guys ha. If you have outstanding loans, credit card payments, or other debts with BDO, they may use your deposit account to pay off the debt under the right of offset. So, they have the right to offset that amount from your savings account. So, ito yung dapat yung gawin guys kapag nakakita kayo ng deposit set-off transaction sa BDO savings accounts ninyo or sa checking account ninyo. Contact your bank immediately. Reach out to your BDO branch or customer service to understand why the set-off occurred. So, ito guys, you don't have to call them if alam mo na may utang ka sa kanila. Kasi that's normal. Okay lang naman yun. Then, pangalawa is, review your accounts. Check your transaction history to identify any unusual debits or erroneous credits. So, check mo yung account mo guys. Baka kasi mamaya, di mo lang napansin, may pumasok na pera doon na hindi mo napansin. Tapos yung napansin mo is nung nabawasan na. Check mo sa history, baka kasi may unexpected deposit doon, which is hindi mo naman ginawa kasi nga nagkamali sila. So, mangyayari yung deposit set off sa savings account ninyo sa BDO. Babawiin nila yon, of course. Pangatlo, review account terms. Understand your bank's terms and conditions regarding deposits and set-offs, which likely authorized such actions according to BDO. So, authorized itong gagawin nila na to, guys. Nasa terms and conditions to, of course, you signed up, so wala kang magagawa. Pang-apat is, get debt advice. If the set-off is due to an unpaid loan, seek professional debt advice to discuss your options. So, kapag alam mo na may utang ka talaga sa kanila at binawas yun, you should seek for an professional advice to discuss about your debts. So, maybe it includes restructural programs. So, kung hindi mo kayang bayaran, you have to do such thing talaga para ma-pay off mo yung debts mo. Kasi masisira yung pangalan mo, guys, kapag tinakasan mo yung utang mo sa BDO. Sayang naman, guys. Alam mo, yung mga bangko is kaibigan yan if you're planning to put up a business in the future. So, para makagalaw yung business mo, you need to have some loans to boost your credit history or credit score, of course. And then, para magkaroon ka ng capital to expand your business. Kaya naman pangalagaan mo yung pangalan mo sa mga bangko. Pay off your debts as soon as you can. Then ito, guys, kung mapapansin nyo, nag-email sa akin si BDO about BDO credit card terms and conditions. Update on BDO credit card terms and conditions. So babasahin ko sa inyo para maintindihan natin. Important update for BDO credit card holders with BDO deposit accounts. With BDO deposit accounts, sa may mga credit card holders. So kapag may credit card ka tapos deposit accounts ka, you should have to understand this. To continue enjoying the benefits of your BDO credit card, ensure that you settle at least the minimum amount due or the outstanding balance within the payment due date. So sinasabi dito, guys, ensure to settle. Siguraduhin mong mabayaran mo man lang yung minimum amount due or yung outstanding balance before due date. Kasi kapag may savings account ka, ibabawas nila yun doon. Otherwise, effective August 26, 2025, BDO may debit your BDO credit card's outstanding balance or any amount due from your BDO deposit account. So, meaning, guys, kapag meron kayong unsettled debts, i-debit nila sa savings account mo. At huwag kang magugulat. Yun yung mag-reflect doon. Deposit set off. Ibig sabihin, sila yung gumawa noon. At legit yun. Huwag yung sasabihin na unauthorized transactions na naman. Updated terms and conditions governing the issuance and use of BDO credit card will be uploaded on August 26, 2025. To view the full terms and conditions, visit cards, forms, and related information page. So, dapat alam ninyo yung rights ninyo, of course. So, dapat alam nyo rin kung ano yung mga dapat yung intindihin para hindi kayo mapahiya. Kapag nag-complain kayo, ganyan-ganyan, bakit ganito, may binawas sa account ko, tapos malalaman mo may utang ka pala na hindi mo binayaran sa BDO. So, mapapahiya ka lang, guys. So, sana may na-share ako. Sana naintindihan nyo yung mga hinanaing ko. Charot. At sana may natutunan kayo. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!